and let's talk about the gap theory, can we? Because Amanda from Belfast has written, and she says, I keep hearing about the gap theory. Now, she doesn't believe it, but she doesn't really also understand what it's all about. So can you explain that for us?
I can. First of all, I produced an excellent DVD with Revelation about why the gap theory or any other old Earth view were incorrect, theologically speaking. Now, of course, we've also worked on the science that the millions and billions of years never happened, but the theology is very, very important. The gap theory was invented in the UK by Thomas Chalmers in 1813. It was postulated that he put evolutionary time into the Bible to make it compatible, and the only place to put it was between Genesis 1:1 and Genesis 1:2. And it's absolutely abhorrent to Scripture. The fact of the matter is, it says that the waters of creation were the great flood of the earth. It relegates Noah's flood to a local flood, which is absurd. It negates Christianity, really. Now, Thomas Chalmers wasn't trying to negate Christianity, but he was trying to stick evolutionary time into Scripture and make it palatable. But there are many problems with it. For instance, it postulates that there was probably a pre-human race in the quote-unquote first creation that was so bad that it had to be obliterated and start over with Adam and Eve. Well, that means that God is not omniscient, he's not omnipotent, that he can allow things to get out of hand, and that he has to start over. Now, that is not the omniscient, omnipotent God of the Bible. There are many other flaws in it as well. I would suggest, though, that the DVD, I mentioned that program on the gap theory disproven, would be the best resource for her, because it goes through all of the verses showing it's not true.